Have you ever felt like you finally escaped a narcissist, only to have them reappear, begging for another chance or pulling you back into their web? Today, we're uncovering the desperate Hoover attempts narcissists make when they feel like they're losing control. From emotional manipulation to calculated guilt trips, Hoovering is their ultimate tool for dragging you back into their toxic cycle. Stay tuned as I explain what Hoovering is, why narcissists do it, and how you can protect yourself from their traps. First, let's define what Hoovering is. The term comes from the Hoover vacuum cleaner, because just like a vacuum, narcissists aim to suck you back into their lives after a breakup or a period of distance. Hoovering can take many forms: sending a heartfelt message out of the blue, claiming they're a changed person, bringing up happy memories to target your emotions, even creating emergencies or crises to get your attention. Why do they do this? It's simple. The narcissist's sense of self depends on controlling others and feeding off their emotional reactions. When you leave, you deprive them of their narcissistic supply, and they'll do whatever it takes to get it back. So, why does a narcissist hoover? The reasons go deeper than just missing you. In reality, it's about their own insecurities and need for control. 1. Loss of power. When you leave, the narcissist loses control over you. This triggers feelings of rejection and shame, which they can't tolerate. By hoovering, they attempt to regain dominance. 2. Fear of losing their supply. You were their source of validation, attention, and admiration. Without you, they feel empty, so they panic and try to pull you back into their orbit. 3. Damage control. If you left them, they worry you'll expose their true nature to others. Hoovering may be their way of ensuring you stay silent or maintain a positive image of them. 4. Challenge to their ego. Narcissists hate losing. Your leaving feels like a blow to their ego, so hoovering becomes their way of proving they can still win you back. Remember, it's not about love or remorse. It's about their need to maintain control and protect their fragile self-esteem. Now, let's dive into the common tactics narcissists use when they're desperate to hoover you back into their lives. These methods are designed to manipulate your emotions and cloud your judgment. 1. Fake apologies and promises to change. I've realized my mistakes. I'll do better this time. Sound familiar? These words are rarely backed by actions. Their promises are designed to lure you back, not to change. 2. Love bombing. They may shower you with affection, gifts, or attention, just like they did in the beginning. This is meant to make you question whether leaving was the right choice. 3. Playing the victim. I can't live without you, or you've destroyed me. They'll portray themselves as the one who's suffering, hoping to guilt trip you into returning. 4. Using children or mutual connections. If you share children, they might use them as pawns to keep you in contact. They may also enlist friends or family to convince you to reconcile. 5. Creating crises. They might manufacture emergencies, like sudden health issues or financial problems, to grab your attention and make you feel responsible. 6. Triggering your emotions. Expect them to bring up nostalgic memories or moments when you were happy together. This tactic is meant to confuse you and make you question your decision. These tactics can be powerful, especially if you still feel emotionally attached or unsure about your decision. Now that you know the tactics, how can you protect yourself? Recognizing hoovering is the first step, but resisting it is crucial. Here are some tips. 1. Go no contact. Block their number, emails, and social media. Removing their access to you is the best way to avoid being drawn back in. 2. Establish boundaries. If no contact isn't possible, perhaps due to children, set strict boundaries and stick to them. Communicate only when absolutely necessary. 3. Don't engage. Responding to their messages, even to argue, gives them the attention they crave. Silence is your most powerful tool. 4. Lean on support. Friends, family, or a therapist can provide the perspective and strength you need to stay firm in your decision. 5. Remind yourself of the truth. Write down or revisit the reasons you left. Narcissists are skilled at making you doubt yourself, but your list will keep you grounded. Remember, hoovering is just another manipulation tactic. You deserve peace, not a return to their toxic cycle. Hoovering is one of the narcissist's most desperate moves, but you don't have to fall for it. By recognizing their tactics and staying true to your boundaries, you can protect yourself and maintain the freedom you worked so hard to achieve. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on how to navigate and recover from narcissistic relationships. Let me know in the comments if you've experienced hoovering. Your story might help someone else break free. Until next time, stay strong, stay informed, and take care of yourself.